Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set up a Jenkins job. So this is one of the most frequently asked entry questions for Selenium test engineers as well as developers. So in this video, I explain this one step by step within the slides. You just follow me. The step one is go to the Jenkins dashboard and log in with your registered login credentials. After login, you will see the next slide. You can see the panel like this. In this panel, you have to click on the new item. So you have to click on the new item. Then click on the freestyle project from the given list on the upcoming page and specify the item name in the text box. Okay, and then add the URL to Git repository. So you need to add the repository URL here. You have to select Git and you have to add the Git repository URL. And then go to build section. So here you have to go to here build section and click on the add build step. You have to click on this button and then you have to select execute window batch command. Okay, first of all you have to go to the build section and then click on add build setup and then select the execute window batch command. Now enter the command in the command window, okay, as shown here. You have to enter the command like this and you have to execute the window batch command like this. After saving all the settings and changes, click on the build now. So whatever you done after adding a URL and entered command, so after saving all settings and you have to click on the build now option. Now to see the status of the build, click on the console output to see the status of the build. So whatever the output is there, you have to, if you want to see the output, you have to click on the console output. So this is the process to set up a Jenkins job. So I hope you understand. So thank you for watching.